What's going on, guys? It's here Eddie from Genius C Productions, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove the background from any picture using Printify.com. And Printify.com is the website that I use to design my products merchandise. What you see right in front of you is a design of a t-shirt. And right in the middle of the t-shirt, it's a square. This is where the picture is going to be at when I design the products. With this being said, let's get started. To show you how to remove the background from a picture. You can use any picture that you want, or you can go ahead and use Shutterstock. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Design, and this is where you can get your pictures from, either from your own device, from Shutterstock. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and go to my library. I'm going to go ahead and use this scorpion picture right here. I'm going to click on the picture. Do not click the trash because it's going to delete the picture. You don't want that. So click on the picture, and the picture appears right on the square of the shirt. You might be saying, well, there's nothing right on the background. It's white. So what am I going to delete? Well, it is showing only white. And the reason is because this is a white t-shirt. As you can see, the colors, it's a white t-shirt. But now let me show you something else. If I click right on select and I click on the color blue, now what do you see? You see this white background. We want to delete the white background. And to do this, I'm going to go ahead and click right on this picture, and you're going to see the same thing. A scorpion with a white background. But if I go back to edit and click select, now I'm going to choose another color. I'm going to choose the color True Royal. I'm going to click on it. Now what do you see? You see a white background with a scorpion. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on preview. What do you see? You see a white square with a scorpion right on the blue shirt, which don't look nice at all. So how do I remove the white background? Well, for this, I need to go back to edit, click on this square, and I'm going to go ahead and click right on this icon where you see my hand cursor. See it moving? That little icon, I'm going to click that says remove background. So I'm going to go ahead and click right on that square. As you can see, there's the white background. There's the scorpion. Now I'm going to go ahead and click quick remove right here. I'm going to click on it. It's on the process. As you can see, the background of the scorpion has been removed. And this is a new feature that Printify.com has added to the website for us creators to remove the background from pictures, which is amazing. And I'm really thankful for that because it makes the products look better. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on apply right at the bottom. Now what do you see? What you see only it's the scorpion. Now I'm going to go ahead and click preview. And this is what the product will look like now. A blue t-shirt with a black scorpion and no white background. This is how this feature of removing the background works. So the product now looks way better. and you can save the product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and edit the picture. You can also do the front and the back of the t-shirt. As you can see, front side, back side. And if you click on the back side, there's nothing. So you can add a picture to it if you want. You don't have to. It will be up to you how you want to design the product. Now you click on the front side and there's the scorpion. Now, the bonus that I'm going to give you is the following. I'm going to go ahead and click right on the scorpion, and I'm going to make the scorpion bigger where it says fill to placeholder. So I'm going to click on that icon. In the scorpion, it's much bigger. Now, that is what the scorpion will look like right on the merchandise or right on the t-shirt, which looks amazing. No background, just the scorpion makes the product stunning, epic, and better to wear because it's only the scorpion that is showing, no white background. So does the scorpion look way better without the white background? In my opinion, it's yes. Looks much better. Amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. I can also make the scorpion smaller by clicking on these arrows right here. See? If I click on the mouse and then I can just go ahead and move the box like that. See? Make it smaller or bigger. And I can also go ahead and place the cursor right in the middle and I can move the scorpion around. Want to make sure it's centered. Just like that. And then if I want to go ahead and save the product, all I got to do is save the product, which I'm going to save the product. And this is basically it. This is how you remove the background from any picture using Printify.com. And it's an excellent, amazing feature that Printify.com added for us creators to use on designing merchandise products that we want to sell. And I thank Printify.com for that. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video and liked it, it was a help to you, make sure to like and subscribe. Also share the video. Thank you for watching. This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video.